watching you. What, Kyle?
What? Oh.
Careful. Better not do that again. What are you doing?
No!
What are you doing?
It's a venom! Mama! Daddy!
What?
Is it stuck?
Duck!
Watch your head.
Duck! Mommy! Mommy!
What do you say? Say help me, please.
Eat!
You did it! Does that taste good? Did Mom give you too much sugar this morning? Or are you just excited? Are you excited?
Feeling like it's home mom.
Just thinking often.
You go crazy when Daddy's around?
Are you excited to go see Grandpa? Are you excited to go see Grandpa? Hey, Kyle. Hey, Kyle. Hey, Kyle, who are you going to see? I don't think I quite got that whole thing. Are you okay?
Don't worry, we're not laughing at your misfortune, Kyle.
He's going to do it again. Are you doing it again because we were laughing? You goofball. Who are you going to see today?
You see Grandpa? You see Grandpa?
Papa! Papa!
What about Grandma?
Mama!
Grandma?
Ow!
Are you okay? Say hi. Can you wave hi to the camera?
Say hello. Say hi.
Is Santa Claus coming soon? Can you say Santa? Santa. Say Santa. Say Santa. Okay. Kyle, can you say bye?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.